I'm Savage Siren. I have not posted in months, obviously, but welcome to my channel, and I will do a little house tour to show you what I've been doing and why I haven't been active, and I haven't had as much extra time. So stay with me, and thank you for popping in. Welcome back, everybody. I repainted the office brown. I ended up redecorating because I know one of my last videos I was repainting this whole thing white. I got completely frustrated with the white for some reason because it wasn't popping the LEDs like I wanted, and I wanted to do more like a treehouse theme anyways, and I'm just gonna stick with that and rotate it because then I can do some fun Halloween things. So that's what I've gotten done so far in here. Onto my bedroom. Obviously this part looks the same, but my whole bedroom got repainted. The ceiling and these got painted white, and then all of this got painted purple. So I was really excited about that, and then I ended up having to obviously pull everything off the walls, hole patch, and then re-hole patch. And then after hole patching, we painted, or sanded, then painted, and got a fresh layer on. We ended up having to do 2 layers on certain ones, especially on the white. And a PS that I've absolutely hated that you guys can know. I have birds living in my ceiling right here. My landlord's supposed to be fixing that. But that's why I haven't been sleeping. I've also been more irritated because I have birds, little, So, there's that. And then I ended up pulling my closet curtains down. And I ended up redoing my closet. I do need to get better lighting in here, but I'm slowly getting my own little walk-in closet, and eventually I plan on having it finished. And of course there is a dog bed, you know, these lovable things. And then after that, we came to the living room that got repainted pretty teal. I'm so sorry for the lighting. It's so cloudy outside. I was hoping for some good natural light. The living room got redone teal. I'm obviously still figuring out some decorations. I have to get them put up. I have a couple. And then that'll take us into the bathroom. Bathroom door. Living room colors, not. And then I put decorations up. It got painted light blue instead of gray. And then I ended up redoing the tile here, which looked like this, which was extremely ugly. And I hated it with a passion. So I'm going to be redoing this the same as that, and I might do a video on that. I will be posting small clips of me doing this part later on whenever I play catch up. And then the radiator is going to be painted black because I absolutely hate that. But I got my living room, or my bathroom, my living room, my bedroom, and the office officially repainted, which comes to the kitchen, which I've never done in one of my videos because it's really ugly. So we repainted it red. We put some layout in here. I have decorations that's going to be going up. I still have yet to stick them up. This is going to be going all the way up. I did not buy enough, but the whole kitchen got redone. And then the spare bedroom, is now his room, got painted pink and redecorated. I did not help with that. He did all of that himself. He also did half of the kitchen. The living room, I was taking a nap in the living room, magically got repainted. He did my bedroom as a birthday present, and then I ended up repainting the office. But those are the household updates, and a whole bunch of home projects are the reason why I have not been able to be active doing new videos and everything else. So that is one update. I do obviously still have more stuff to do, like sticking more wallpaper up. I'm going to be redoing the kitchen sink and a couple more things. So please be patient, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave comments of what you think would look good on these areas, because some of these areas I have no idea what to put up, especially in the bathroom. Like, I want to keep the mermaid theme, but I can't find anything I want to put up. So if you guys have comments, make sure you drop them down below. And of course, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Don't let anybody dull your shine. And make sure you guys, you can follow me on other socials as well. I have a gaming YouTube, which I will be getting back up to par sometime this summer as a home project. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all your support, and I will see you next time.